stuck here. The cops won't bother me. All right, squids, we are going to be going up to the Burtonsville Cars and Coffee. I think I might put a windscreen here, but I got to get my mirror fixed. I like to have two mirrors because I'm paranoid about what goes on behind me. Man, there's a lot of cars here. Oh, here's the Z8 that parked like a douchebag last time. He finally made it to the parking lot. Parked properly like a person. Where the hell is Dave? I think that's his Bolt right there. It smells like gas. Man, there's a lot of people today here. Oh, the Burtonsville car meetup is over. Everybody's off doing their own thing now, so I am going home. Well, I got my Burtonsville Walker shirt and can't wait to try it out. It looks pretty darn good. Oh, it smells good here. I think it's Cuba de Ayer. Look at this place in Olney. It's I mean, you're really close to the city. Look at that one, is wearing like these little pinky boots. Oh, she's so fab. These are nice looking horses. That's pretty cool. All right. Nice talking to you guys. See ya. Look at this little trail. Let's go check it out really quick. I have no idea where this goes, but my little C3 is not a good off-roading bike, but it does go up hills and all of these things. I have never gone up here, but this is a park, or you know, there's nothing for miles and miles. This is kind of cool. Let's see. Yeah, you can't see any house here. This is pretty fascinating, guys. I'm going to take a little rest here. This is why I like the C3. And in a way, I think the Ruckus would be better just because it doesn't have a lot of plastic to kind of screw up. But look at this place. Kind of cool to be all by myself here. All right, I don't recommend this at all. Jeez, it is so bumpy. And this is a street scooter, guys, not an off-road scooter. Actually, just riding on the grass is probably easier. Oh man, there's a little mud puddle here. Shit. Yeah, you know, it seems like it's been frequented by various people here. I wonder where this leads, though. Sometimes you can find some really interesting things around here. All right, it's getting pretty thick here now. Having big dirt bike wheels helps. But these little white tires that the C3 has are fairly decent. You just can't go too fast. You know, you are limited by this bike. All right, what is going on here? There's some mud. Oh yeah, there are some pretty big mud spots, so I don't know if I want to risk it. Riding off-road is definitely much more physical than most people realize. There we go. Whew. That was kind of it started slipping and stuff. All right. Whoa. I am full gassing it. Alrighty. Full gassing this little scooter. That's the beauty of it. You can just walk alongside of the scooter. And it carries you to the top. Whew. That's kind of cool. Look at that. We came from over there, guys. Alrighty. This is quite cool. I found a new trail. And by the way, you don't want to hit your front brakes when you're riding off-road, guys. Look at this. I'm not sure where this is. I'll find out soon enough. Oh, this is a good place to enter. This is definitely a good place to enter. This looks very deserted. You know, what I try and do is get away from the street as soon as possible. You don't want to have people see you go in. And look at this, there's a trail going this way. You know, I wasn't expecting to go off-road, but I just found this place. What's this? Looks like a Roman ruin. Huh. Looks like there's houses here, so I think it's like some little motocross track or something. I don't know. You know, these people with McMansions, though, they're really uptight. And even when I'm just riding on, you know, a trail like this that clearly doesn't have, you know, any like big issues, you know, they're very uptight about you riding in this property, and a lot of times they just want to be off-road nannies, off-road patsy. Man, this thing, I'm telling you, this thing does have some good tractability. Oh, there's a house over there. Huh. I'm kind of curious about that house over there. There's also a big farm here, so a lot of times the farmers could call the cops as well. You know, it does look like people have driven their cars through here because there's tire marks. But it's a little rough. It's definitely a little rough. Here's another trail. Oh, look at this. It's a cemetery. This is the Riggs Family Cemetery. Justin Stein, BSA Troops, Brooksville. Interesting. There's a little cemetery here. Find some very interesting things off-road. Guess this is a good place to come and dump a body. You know, most of the time, this is just a place where like the local kids would come and ride their motorcycles, their little dirt bikes. And it kind of pisses me off that people would call the cops on kids that are just riding their motorcycles. But they do.